Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Let's make a chicken curry that is popular in restaurants all around the world. Marinated and fried chicken in spiced curry sauce. Chicken Tikka Masala. Let's see how to make it. Marinate the chicken pieces with yogurt, cumin powder, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, some salt, half lemon juice and some oil. Mix it really well and marinate it for 1 hour. If you can keep it overnight, it'll be great. Now heat a pan, add some oil and fry these marinated chicken pieces. Fry both the sides. Once the chicken is fried, take it out from oil and in another pan use the same oil and saute some chopped onions. As you are using the same oil, you will not lose any flavors from it. Saute it till it changes its color. Now add the spice powders like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Saute it for some time. Add some ginger and garlic paste. Saute it again. Now add in tomato puree. I've used freshly made tomato puree, but you can use the canned as well. Add some salt. Saute it. Cook this for some time. Now add some water. Mix it nicely. Cover the pan and cook till the oil separates from the gravy. Once the gravy gets cooked and oil is separated, add the fried chicken pieces. Mix it nicely. Now reduce the flame and add some fresh cream. Give it a mix. Before you turn off the flame, add some garam masala and some kasuri methi, and our chicken tikka masala is ready. This tasty dish goes really well with anything. So do try this out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Hit the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.